In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to display the WooCommerce stock status on your shop and category pages. This can be a simple yet powerful way to give your customers valuable information about product availability and even encourage prompt purchases. Now, let's dive right into it. First, we need to install the necessary plugin to make this process much easier. Begin by heading over to your WordPress dashboard and navigating to the Plugins section on the left-hand side of your screen. Once there, click on Add New. This will take you to the plugin repository, where you can find thousands of plugin options at your fingertips. In the search bar located at the top right corner, type Display Stock Status for WooCommerce. This tool is exactly what we need. You should see it appear pretty quickly among the search results. Once you spot it, go ahead and click on Install Now. Be patient for a moment while the installation process completes. Once it has finished installing, you'll see an option to activate the plugin. Click on that, and with that, you've successfully added this helpful tool to your online store. Now that the plugin is installed and activated, let's move on to configuring its settings to match your store's aesthetics and functional needs. Head over to WooCommerce on the left-hand menu and click on Settings. Under this, you'll now find an option labeled Display Stock Status. Click on it to view and adjust the plugin settings. Here, you'll find a variety of options that allow you to tailor how stock information is displayed to your customers. You can customize the stock status text to communicate the quantities available, such as in stock, only a few left, or other messages that will prompt consumer urgency. Feel free to get creative with these labels to better capture attention. Next, you'll have the opportunity to tweak the colors used for the stock status text. This is a great way to ensure that your stock information complements your website's overall design. Consider using contrasting colors for easy readability, but also make sure they harmonize well with your site's color palette. In addition to text and color, you'll see various display options. You can choose where exactly the stock status appears on your shop and category pages. Think strategically about placement. You want it to be visible without overshadowing other important details. After you've customized everything to your satisfaction, make sure to save your settings to implement the changes. This way, your site visitors will instantly begin seeing stock status information the next time they browse your products. And that's it. You've now successfully added detailed stock status displays to your WooCommerce shop and category pages. This little tweak can significantly enhance the shopping experience on your site by making it more transparent and customer-friendly. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.